In today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang common dilemma sa mundo ng shirt printing or printing business. Anong gagawin mo if your customer hands you a low resolution design? Don't worry because akong bahala sa'yo. We'll be using two powerful tools at kahit wala kang any graphic design skills, kayang-kaya mo to. But before we dive in, let's roll the intro. Handang-handa ka na to print a batch of shirts for a client at excited silang ibigay sa iyo ang soft copy ng design nila. And you find out na it's pixelated and blurry. Panic mode, right? Not so fast. This is where Upscale AI and Vector Magic come to the rescue. First up, pag-uusapan natin si Upscale AI. Ang tool na ito specializes in upscaling images while maintaining their quality. It's like magic for your pixelated designs. Simply upload your low-resolution image to Upscale AI and let it work its wonders. In just few clicks, mako-convert na ang pixelated images ni client into high-resolution version. Now, let me walk you through the process. Upload natin ang low-resolution image ni customer to Upscale AI. Wala na tayong i-adjust ditong iba pa. But pwede pa rin kayong mag-explore sa application kasi napaka-user-friendly naman ni Upscale AI. Within seconds or minutes, we have beautifully upscaled version that's perfect for printing. Easy peasy lang, diba? Let's take our newly upscaled design and break it into Vector Magic. With just few clicks, we can convert it into vector format, ensuring crisp lines and smooth edges, plus vectors are infinitely scalable, meaning your design will look flawless no matter how big or small you print it. And there you have it. With the power of Upscale AI and Vector Magic, you can turn even the lowest resolution designs into high-quality prints. So, next time na bigyan ka ni customer ng pixelated mess, don't stress. Just upscale and vectorize. And you'll be printing perfection in no time. So, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tips and free design resources.